To see the metadata of pictures taken within the app, first of all, we got to go to the media library, which we access by swiping to the left. Once you're in the media library, you choose the picture you want to look at, and once you have the picture on the screen, you simply swipe up and there you have all the metadata on the screen. Thanks to all that data, for example GPS and time for sunrise, we can draw conclusions about lighting conditions and so on. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to not miss any future videos. If you have any questions about any IB optic products, just let us know in the comment section. For more information about the Smartfinder Pro, make sure to check out the link in the description, or you can check out all the other videos in our Smartfinder Pro playlist, which you can find right here. That's it for today. See you next time. Servus.